Tools rolling around, gear getting wet, valuables sitting exposed in plain sight. Your Titan's bed deserves better than that. Whether you're a contractor, a weekend warrior, or just someone who needs their stuff organized and locked down, there's a storage solution on this list for you. 7 options, 7 different approaches. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 7 with Camlocker, and security is the headline. Instead of the cheap paddle locks most boxes use, Camlocker's revolving cam system hooks through welded catches, meaning you'd need to physically break the lid or bring power tools to get in. Interior is fully carpeted on all sides, and the floor with a removable floor section for easy cleanup. Polished aluminum construction, removable sliding storage trays, full-length stainless steel hinges. Built for the military and law enforcement for nearly 3 decades. 3-year structural warranty. At number 6, the Dee Zee Red Label Gull Wing, the double lid box that opens from both sides independently. If you're parked against a wall or another vehicle on the driver's side, you can still access the box from the passenger side without walking around. Dampened gas shocks hold each lid open at a steady, controlled rate. Closed-cell foam gasket seals out weather. Removable plastic tool tray keeps small items from getting buried. Single-piece aluminum bends on the front, back, and bottom for superior rigidity. Made in the USA, limited lifetime warranty. Number 5, the DU-HA Tote, the wild card on this list. It rolls on 4 wheels into the Titan's bed and doubles as a legal gun case for up to 4 rifles or shotguns with scopes. 3 heavy-duty latches all work with standard padlocks. Weather-resistant sealed lid, 2 utility trays, removable dividers let you configure the interior any way you need. Roto-molded and made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. Pop it out of the truck and roll it wherever you need it. Toolbox and gun case in one. At number 4, Deck transforms the entire 5'7" Titan bed into an organized work platform. Full-length drawers slide out from the tailgate, so every tool is within reach without climbing in. The flat deck on top handles up to 2,000 pounds of cargo. Weatherproof drawer seals handle car washes and trail dust. Made in the USA from recycled materials on a galvanized steel frame, and backed by a lifetime guarantee. Comes loaded with organizer accessories out of the box. The setup for guys who live and work out of their Titan daily. Number 3, UWS, 7.5 cubic feet of storage in a crossover box designed, fabricated, and welded in Florida. The patented foam-filled lid won't warp or bind after years of daily use. Self-opens to 90 degrees and stays there. A micro-seal gasket seals out moisture, dust, and insects. Connecting rod lets you operate the lock from either the driver or passenger side without walking around the truck. Stainless steel paddle lock handles, built-in screwdriver holders, tool tray included. Limited lifetime warranty on structure. At number 2, the UnderCover SwingCase. On a Titan bed, keeping the floor clear matters, and this box does exactly that. It mounts over the wheel well and swings out nearly 180 degrees toward you at the tailgate, so the entire bed floor stays open for cargo. Holds up to 75 pounds, locking lid, moisture seal, cup holders on top. Fully portable, unclip and take it with you. Compatible with virtually all tonneau covers. Note, will not fit Titan box equipped models. Made in the USA, 1-year guarantee. And the top spot goes to the DU-HA underseat storage because it uses space everyone else ignores. Custom fit for 2004 through 2024 Titan King Cab and Crew Cab. It slides under the rear seats and matches the interior color for a factory-like appearance. Roto-molded construction doesn't flex or bend, keeping gear locked in place. Removable 2-piece rack and dividers let you configure it for tools, firearms, or whatever you carry. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. The most overlooked, most practical upgrade on this entire list. 7 storage solutions for your Nissan Titan. From a military-grade Camlock box to a rolling gun case to hidden underseat storage that uses space most people forget exists. Every type of Titan owner is covered on this list. All the links are right there in the video description. Go find your fit. If this helped, subscribe. More Titan content drops every week. Catch you in the next one.